Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make chive gyoza. It's one of my favorite dishes which my mom used to cook. The filling is already cooked before wrapping it into gyoza wrapper, so I used to eat it before we wrap. Then we ended up making only few pieces of gyoza. It's absolutely delicious recipe. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Let's make the gyoza filling first. Chop onion, and chop chives, heat cooking oil in a frying pan, saute the onion until soft. Add ground beef and pork mixture, then cook until no longer pink. Mix in 1 tablespoon of sugar to make it tasty. Add the chives and cook until soft. Season with salt and pepper. Finish with sesame oil, then leave to cool. Now let's make special sesame sauce. It's unique yet delicious. You need 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of ground white sesame seeds. Mix very well. Now you need gyoza wrappers. Yes, you can make them from scratch. The link to the recipe is in the description box. Place the filling in the center of the gyoza wrapper. Put water along the edge of the wrapper. Fold into semicircle. Gather the front side of the wrapper and seal. Repeat the steps to make the rest. Use cooking oil if you are not using a non-stick pan. Place gyoza. The filling is already cooked, so the gyoza dumplings are easy to cook. You don't have to worry about the doneness. Cook on high until the bottoms become brown. Turn the heat down to medium and add water. Cover and steam the gyoza on medium-high until the water is almost gone. Uncover and cook on high heat until the water is gone and crisp. Serve with the special sesame sauce. Karashi mustard is optional. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
不是。
ママの小さい時みたい。
おいしい。中身が美味しい、パパ。
美味しい？
ママみたいな。
ママみたいに食べてる。
妹、ママ。
そうだね、ママそういう食べ方するもんね。
見た？
うん、見た。
これが残った具をご飯にのせてタレをかけたものです。いただきます。美味しい。これはやめられないです。美味しいです。今せっかく子どもたちが週4回1時間半だけ幼稚園に行っているのに、今日はなんとガラスを食器を落としてしまって、しかもタレが入った食器を落としてしまって、もう大被害で、それを掃除するのに30分使っちゃいました。すごくもったいない。もうほんと今時間の使い方を計画的にしないとみたいな感じで過ごしています。美味しい。これはやめられない。本当に餃子の皮がね手に入らない人は丼にして食べてください。